Ready to turn your car into a cash-generating machine with Zoomcar? Let's dive right into listing your vehicle and making the most of car sharing. First, navigate to the Zoomcar website or open the app and look for the prominently displayed List Your Car button. Give it a click to begin the registration process. Before proceeding, make sure your car meets Zoomcar's requirements. Check the guidelines related to car age, model, condition, insurance, and registration. This is crucial for approval. Now, fill out the registration form. You'll need to provide accurate details about your vehicle, upload ownership proof documents, and enter your bank account information for receiving earnings. Double-check everything. Next up is setting the right price. Utilize Zoomcar's pricing tools to analyze market trends and adjust your rates based on demand, day of the week, and seasonal factors. Competitive pricing is key to attracting bookings. Manage your car's availability effectively. Use the Zoomcar calendar to block out dates for personal use, maintenance, or any other reason. This ensures you're not caught off guard with unwanted bookings. Track your car's performance and earnings through the Zoomcar dashboard. Monitor booking trends, identify peak demand periods, and make data-driven adjustments to your pricing and availability strategy to maximize your income.